Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Minuet in D by Ignatius Sancho. This is in D major, so you need to be aware of F sharp, C sharp. Other than that, there is fairly limited notes in this. There is one section that is going to be in the third position. So we'll look at that briefly. The most important thing about this piece is the style. So we need this style to be kind of separated crotchets. Now to do that, you're not bouncing, but you kind of adding a little bit of pressure as the start of the note. So here we go. This is the first bit. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now if you hear it, if you play them long, it sounds completely different. It loses the style. Another thing about this with the bowing, I would personally, on the first bar, down bow, 2, 3, then down again. Now it does mean that this D is going to be in an up bow. Don't worry about that, because everything else will bow out beautifully afterwards. So if that long D is an up bow, and then you're back to down bow for the first note. So the most tricky part of this piece is the second section from bar 9. You are in the third position. So if you remember how we found fourth position, slide down with the thumb to the crook of the neck, find the E. Now where your first finger is where your fourth finger is going to be. That is third position. So your fourth finger on D, just check it with the open D string, make sure it's in tune. This section then we've got D with finger 4 on the G string, then C sharp, which is finger 2, and then for the G sharp, don't go back up to half position, come straight across and you're going to play on the D string with the second finger. G sharp's here. A is under your fourth finger, and then the E straight across. So you've got it with the fourth finger, and then you can play the open E. And as you're playing that open E, you can bring your hand back to first position. Finally, this run in bar 15. You're going to be backwards on the bow again, so it'll be an up bow. So this is basically a D major scale run down, so you're playing from the A first, and then we've got B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, now that is the whole piece. And just to be sure, I'm now going to play you all the way through from the beginning.